Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In this tutorial, we are simplifying the two expressions above there. Right now, let's start with the first one. The first one can be written as x, then root x, because they are dividing each other, root y to the power of minus 1. Okay. Now, remember there's this law of exponents and surds that says a over b to the power minus n is equal to b. You just flip that over a, and at the same time you change the sign of the exponent. That will be to the power of n. So we're just gonna use this law on that. So we are going to have x, then root y comes there on top, then over root x, then to the power of 1. We just leave it like that. Then we are going to have x root y over root x. And at this point, we can just rationalize this expression, okay, to make it look nice. Then we're going to say times root x divided by root x. All right. Now we are going to have x root, so root y times root x. You remember we say the laws of surds, they say root a times root b is equal to the root of ab. So we're just going to do it on these two terms. So we're going to have xy there, and you remember root x times root x is equal to x, because we say root a times root a is equal to a, right, when we use these laws of surds. And then that will be x down there on the denominator, and therefore we are going to get our answer as root of xy. That's the answer for that. That part is finished. Now let's look at the second part, that is part B. Now on part B we have 1 over x minus 1 over y to the power of minus 1. Right, now let's use the methods of adding or subtracting fractions. We say xy is the lowest common denominator here, because we can divide x into that and divide y into that. All right, then we say x into that, we get y times 1, that's a y, minus y into that, we get x, and x times that, we get x, right? And then that's to the power of minus 1. And remember that law we've just used above there. We said a over b to the power of minus n gives us b over a to the power of n. You remember that law we've just used up there. So we're just going to use that law on that one. So we are going to have our answer as xy over y minus x. Okay, we've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Enjoy your day.